Hi children, have a great day. So today before going to start our session, let's start with prayer, right? So close your eyes, join your hands and listen to me. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya Mrityomamirdangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Fine children. Now slowly open your eyes. Very good. So what are we discussing about? We are discussing about life cycle of plants and animals, right? So till now we saw about life cycle of plants and life cycle of butterfly, right? So once again we are going to recollect that. What about the life cycle of plants? It starts with seed. The seed will plant in the soil and the plant will germinate in that, and in the flower it converted into fruit, and the fruit will get ripened. The ripened fruit will be eaten by animals and humans. The seeds present inside the ripe fruit will be dispersed again into the soil so that it will regenerate again as a plant. This represents the life cycle of plants, right? So what are the processes involved in these steps? So it involves germination and pollination, right? Germination of seeds in sense growing a plant from a seed is known as germination. Pollination in sense conversion of flower into a fruit, right? So bees and butterflies are very helpful in the process of pollination, right? The stigma of male flower is transferred to the stigma of female flower so that the flower can be converted into fruit. Next we saw about butterfly, that is life cycle of butterfly. It contains 4 stages, that is egg, larva, pupa and butterfly, right? The female butterfly will lay eggs on the leaf, and each egg will hatch into a small larva known as the caterpillar. It is the long stage in which the caterpillar eats the leaf and lives for a long period of time. After a sufficient time, it transformed into pupa, that is it started to build a protective layer around it. Okay, the caterpillar started to build a protective layer around its body. So this stage is called pupa stage, and it will hang below the leaf. Okay, and this is known as chrysalis. What is that? Chrysalis. Okay, so from the chrysalis the adult butterfly will come out and start to fly. So the butterfly will live only for a short period of time. Within that period it will lay the eggs again. So in this way the life cycle of butterfly will happen, right? Today we are going to see about the life cycle of silk moth. This is also as same as the life cycle of butterfly, right? The female silk moth will lay eggs on the mulberry leaves, and it hatches into a caterpillar, that is the larva stage, and then the larva, that is the caterpillar, will build a protective layer around its body. That stage is called the pupa stage. The protecting layer over its body is called cocoons. After some days, adult butterfly, that is adult silk moth, will hatched out of the cocoon. Okay, this is what happening in the life cycle of silk moth. It also has 4 stages. So what are the 4 stages? Egg, larva, cocoon and silk moth, right? So now we are going to discuss deeply about that. So who will lay the eggs on the leaf? The female silk moth will lay the eggs on the leaf, right? After that those eggs will be hatched and transformed into larva, from which the caterpillar comes out, right? And then the caterpillar starts to build a protective layer around its body, That stage is called a pupa stage, and the protective coating over it is called cocoons. Right? So from the cocoons, the adult silk moth will hatch out. Before hatching out, the cocoons will be taken away for production of silk. The cocoons will be taken away for the production of silk, right? So in this stage only we can able to gather the silk thread. Okay, so that's why only this insect is named as silk moth. Okay, so children, look at this picture and say which picture is related to the life cycle of silk moth. Right? Is the first picture? No, it is not. The second picture? Yes, it is cocoons. Third one? It is the adult silk moth. And the fourth one? It is caterpillar. So which is not related? The first picture. Right. And try to answer the questions. Just say true or false for these statements. And the first statement is the life cycle of silk moth and butterfly are very different. No, it is similar. So the statement is false. Eggs are laid by the female silk moth on the mulberry leaves. True. Caterpillar of silk moths continuously eats and grows in size. True. Cocoon provides a protective covering to the caterpillar. Yes, it is also true. Caterpillar enters into the pupa stage. Yes, true. Pupa present inside the cocoon make a hole in the cocoons for adult moths to escape. Yes, true. This is also true. And fill in the blanks. The pupa changes into an adult silk moth inside a cocoon. The continuous eating and growing takes place in the caterpillar stage, that is larva stage of silk moth. Caterpillar enters into the dash stage. Caterpillar enters into the pupa stage. Very good. Dash provides a protective coating for the pupa inside it, that is cocoons. Eggs are laid by the female moth on mulberry leaves. Very good. So here is your answer and here is your homework. So you have to complete a question 7 of your workbook. That is, how is cocoon important in the life cycle of silk moth? This is the question you have to write and upload your answer in Google Classroom app. Okay, so we can see by next class with furthermore interesting topic, right? Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye.